These are the essential parts of any C program. Now here I take an integer variable, so I have typed int a, and thereafter I assign it a value a equals to, suppose 10. You can take any value, and thereafter I am using the printf function to show the output. The value is percentage comma a. Now I type a equals to a plus 5, and using the same thing, this statement, this printf function, and testing here, you see the same. You see inside both printf functions, you see the same statement. And again I type a statement a equals to a by 3, and again using printf function. So you see inside all three printf function, the statements are same, but you see the output will be different. Let us see. Let us check the output. Okay, the output is in a line, so it is not looking attractive. So I insert a new line, \n, \n. Now let us see the output. Yes, here is the output. You see the output. In the first line, it is the value is 10, the value is 50, 15, and in the third line, it is the value is 5. I have magnified the screen. You see the output. In the first line, it is the value is 10, the value in the second line, the value is 15, and in the third line you see the value is 5. You see all the three outputs are different, but you notice that in the program, in this program, inside all printf functions, you see the statements are the same. Here you see this statement. Okay, now look at the second statement, and in the same way the third statement. These three statements are same. The only difference is this backslash n, but you know backslash n only participate in creating a new line, and we must know what is the cause which creates different output. The cause is, here you see a equals to 10. So the first line in the output, you saw the first line was the value is 10. Okay, it is okay because a is equal to 10. But above second printf function, here you see above this printf function, you see here a equals to a plus 5. I remind you that this looks like a mathematical equation, but it is not a mathematical equation, because if you go to solve this one mathematically, then you will get a equals to infinity. But here this is not an equation, this is a C statement, and meaning of this C statement is that what is a is 10 and you are adding 5, then it becomes 15. So this time a from this part, a is not 10, a is 15. So after this statement, if you are using sorry, if you are using a, then this variable a stands for 15, not 10. So corresponding to this second printf function, we got the output as the value is 15. Now here this, now look at this C statement. This looks like a mathematical equation, and if you go to solve this equation mathematically, then you will get a equals to 0, but a is not 0. Here it is a C statement, and this statement means here is a, you see a, what is a is not 10, a is 15, because you have changed a with this statement. A is 15 because initially it was 10, but you added 5, it becomes 15. So a is 15. So here this a stands for 15, and 15 by 3, it becomes 5. So our a is 5 now. So using printf function, after that you will get the value is 5 as an output. So try to understand the differences among these three printf functions. These are very important, and sorry, yes, now it is okay. These are very important. This program makes you learn how a variable a, here is variable a, how a variable may change as you proceed inside a program. Here initially a was 10, here a is 15, but Here A becomes 5. So try to note these things. These are very important, and in later videos you will come across such things frequently. Thank you.